Students, as we know, we are studying unit number 3. Last week we have covered till social media. So now we are going with the next paragraph, that is food advertising also raises issues. Now food advertising, as we all have seen the junk food advertisement, Maggi, noodles. So sometimes these raises issues. Raise means उसको आगे बढ़ाना, आवाज़ उठाने जैसा, इशू, नए नए चीज़ें, प्रॉब्लम्स उठना. चिल्ड्रन सी एड्स फॉर फूड ऑन टेलीविजन. अब कहाँ देखते हैं, वेयर डू दीज चिल्ड्रन अट्रैक्टेड बाय? So they generally watch on television, websites, social media and mobiles. So they check it. Nowadays social media is most attracted medium of advertising. Many children play adventurous games. Such adventurous games, you may know the names, kind of, I would say, fire fighter, it was Subway Surfer earlier, Candy Crush. Such adventurous, where you find adventure here, you will enjoy to solve. So while playing such games online, these games for children that are created by advertisers to promote products. So with here adver games means related to that, you will find advertisement related games also you will find. So they promote their products with the help of that kind of medium. And what are all these food ads selling to children? So the question is being asked by the article writer. What did he ask? He asked, what are all these food ads selling to children? What are they selling to the children? What are children buying? According to one study, the top 4 products are, which foods are being sold by the productions. So fast food, as we all know, these Domino's, pizzas, online order, free delivery and such attractive coupon codes attracts the children. Fast food. Sugared cereals means some sweet. Sugary drinks, cold drinks. Other than that, other juices and candy. The one of the main products of advertisement for children is candies. So those candies, those chocolates, those toffees are mostly attracted. They want to taste it. So you can recognize or recall one of the candies ad which attracted you the most and you bought it very quickly. You may have bought more than 2 and 4. Dr. Thomas Robinson, a professor at Stanford University and a doctor at Lucile Packard Children's Hospital. Now these are the names, those who have done research, has looked into childhood obesity. Now childhood obesity means overweight, ज़्यादा weight, मोटापन, heavy weight, and it's linked to screen time. How did this obesity started in early childhood or in childhood? Because of this screen time. Nowadays screen time is on mobile. Earlier it was on mostly television. In experiments with preschoolers, now they have done this experiment on the children who are not going to school. He told me, we have found that even a 30-second advertisement of a new product can change a child's preference for brand. So 30 seconds of the advertisement, as we all know, we have seen many ads on TV. You can recall and tell me your experience about the same. जो 30 सेकेंड्स का कोई आपने ऐड देखी होगी और आपको पहले उस वही सेम ऐड जो नेक्स्ट टाइम 30 सेकेंड में आई होगी तो उसका आपके ऊपर क्या प्रभाव पड़ा, क्या उस दूसरी टाइम 30 सेकेंड्स वाली ऐड देख कर हैव यू changed your mind? Did you find something else, or did you get attracted or not, which you have to tell me in written. Try to do this and draw the picture for the same. Suppose you liked one of the ad, just I liked it, the ad name, the brand name of the ad brand is Nike shoes. When I saw the slogan, the tagline of the advertisement, just do it, so I got attracted. I have changed my mind, so I got inspiration. I didn't divert my mind, but at this stage I would say when I was childhood there were different ads. But now if I'll talk about Nike a few years ago, it was, I just got the attraction was the tagline, just do it. So I adopted that point in my life. Just do it means you have to make it, you have to do, you have to try whatever the result would be. So that was 30 seconds point, which has changed my mind about the brand also. Though I didn't buy costly shoes, but I got inspired by the tagline. So you may also note it down like that.